Let people be thieves. You don't know how someone is fighting inside you. Never miss a wedding meal. The father of the daughter is in charge of this one-time box only. One way to live in peace in this world is to have a large cemetery where every human being can bury the faults and shortcomings of the people. One day you will look back and see what you were worried about it. It was very high and you thought it was bad. If a man stops or interrupts, it does not mean that he doubts or does not trust her, but that he considers her, his honors and cares more than himself. Such a woman is the luckiest woman in the world. A man's love never gives a woman a complete shadow. The sun of his attitudes falls on a woman from somewhere. No matter how much knowledge you read, no matter how much you become a scholar, it is not necessary to get guidance. It is a gift from Allah for which He chooses. Become a true seeker of knowledge and fall down and pray. Perhaps this is the first step. The sorrows of a man are born in the womb of silence and are absorbed inwardly, while the tears of a woman make noise everywhere. Often the truth is not bitter. The way of speaking the truth is bitter, as well as speaking the truth. We are actually humiliating others, and we expect our humiliation to be taken for granted. How delicate is it that girls do not celebrate Eid if they do not get the suit of their choice, but spend their whole life in silence with an unwanted person? If a man is the priest of lust, then such a woman should also be tied in a front of cannon and blown up. Unless a person stands in the place of another, he does not understand the whole thing. Jealousy arises from a feeling of inferiority. A person who considers himself inferior is jealous of others. Don't make yourself a prisoner of the past. That was a life lesson, not a life sentence. No one has the right to judge you. He does not know what you are going through. He has heard stories about you, but he has never felt what you are doing. When you are full of experiences, you are so old that no one implies your experiences. The man is like a falcon, always floating in the water from above and cannot go to the bottom like a fish. Sometimes life brings back to you everything that was once lost to you, including love, but you are helpless. Asking for love tastes like drunkenness. A woman begins to misrepresent her age when her face begins to misrepresent her true age. Love is the ability to sit like a parrot in an open cage at will. Love is the shackles of slavery that man put on his own free will. What a person is bound by limited desires and needs, he does not need to lie much. When love is found, then all rights will be fulfilled with joy. Without love, every right will be found like a shroud after death. Sometimes the right choice reduces the length of the path. Don't miss the old days, the new days are disgusting. Whenever a man falls in love with a woman, he craves to satisfy her hunger. The contradiction of words and deeds on the common grounds makes the leaven of great personalities. The man does not pave the way for sustenance by eating all his life. He builds a house. He throws the soil of foreigners. In the end, the young children say, "Father, if you could do any kind of work, life would not be better." Allah Almighty attracts the one whom He wants to remind Himself by giving him an electric shock of sorrow. He comes out of the furnace of sorrow and becomes soft for others. Then the good deeds begin to happen automatically and happily. The chain of the reward process is very wide. It runs from generation to generation. This is the responsibility of Allah Almighty Himself, and it is the result of someone's oppression of you, and it does not take long to turn around and say, "Surely Allah is the best."